If you are searching for an EX4 to MQ4 converter, you probably want to edit a compiled file. Maybe you lost your source code, maybe you bought an EA, or maybe you want to modify something. But here's the truth: most online converters don't actually work. And in this video, I'll explain why. There are dozens of websites claiming that they can convert EX4 back to MQ4, but EX4 is a compiled file. It's not designed to reverse easily. MQ4 is source code. EX4 is compiled bytecode. When you compile an MQ4 file, comments are removed, structure is optimized, human readable logic becomes machine instructions. Think of it like compiling an Android app, just like you use Facebook or Instagram. You can't just convert an APK back into the exact source project. Modern MetaTrader builds, especially after the build 600, use stronger compilation that makes full recovery extremely difficult. Some tools claim they can decompile EX4 files, but in most cases, they either return broken code, return partial logic, or return fake placeholder output. If your file was compiled with newer metadata versions, full conversion is practically impossible. So, what can you actually do? If you lost your MQ4 file, check old backups, check your VPS, check email attachments, check cloud storage. If you purchase the EA, contact the developer. Some developers provide editable versions. If not, the only real solution is rebuilding the logic manually. This is why, when I build trading systems, I always archive the source code properly and I structure my bots cleanly from the beginning, because once it's compiled, recovery becomes very hard. If you are working with expert advisors seriously, I am creating more videos on protecting your EA, structuring trading systems properly, avoiding common MetaTrader mistakes. If that's useful, subscribe. See you in the next one.